Welcome back, IP5. I hope you've been doing great and staying home and staying safe. Today, we are talking about Google Programs. What are Google Programs? What programs do they have? How does it work? And what is it used for? So today, this is our 16th lesson together. And yeah, so we get started right now. Are you ready? So first, let's talk about Google. Google has, I'm sure all of you already know what is Google and what is it used for, but this maybe some of you won't know. So Google has options for you to use online software, which can help you to complete tasks, especially when you have to work in groups. It can be very helpful. So on the right in the picture, you can see all different options that we have to use online. Like the options are Gmail, Drive, Classroom, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Meet, Forms, Currents, Sites, and Contacts, which we will go over each of them and explain them one by one. First is Gmail. What is Gmail? I think you already know it, but anyway, we go through it just in case. So Gmail is pronounced as I'm saying it, Gmail. So it's a free web-based email service that provides users with gigabyte of storage for messages and provides the ability to search for specific messages. So for example, if you send an email to someone and you don't know where it is, you can search it and you will find it. So it will save your email and it will not be lost. And also it can save your attached files. So whatever file you want to send, you can use Gmail to do so. The Gmail program also automatically organizes successively related messages into conversational threads. What does this mean? It means it automatically fix and check the related messages into okay, I will make it simple. So Gmail has this system that they can separate your email. So it will understand, okay, this email is important. So they will put it in the normal email area, in your inbox area. And then they will understand this email is for advertisement. So they will put it in the folder that says advertisement and social. And they have another place called junk or spam, which the emails that they think they are threats or they are dangerous or they might have viruses and it's not related to your email, they will send to spam or junk folder. Drive. What is the Drive? The Drive is one of the biggest saviors of today's daily life. the Google Drive is a cloud-based storage that allows to save files online, and you can access them from anywhere and any smartphone, any tablet, any computer, as long as you can sign in your Google Drive. You just need your email address and password, and you can access it from anywhere. You can use Drive on your computer or mobile device to securely upload files and edit them online. Drive also makes it easy for others to edit and collaborate on files. So if you're working in a group work and you want to share your information, you can use Drive to help you organize all this and share your information together. Next, we have Classroom. Google Classroom is a learning management system, which we call LMS as a short, that aims to simplify creating and distributing and grading assignments, and engaging students in learning online or remotely, which now Google Classroom, it has a big part of most of our lives because of the corona pandemic. So many schools are using the free software that Google Classroom offers, and they do all their classes using this. So it's a very simple platform to use and very useful to do so. Next, this is also very useful, Google Docs. Google Docs is an online word processor that lets you create and format documents and work with other people. You can create and edit text documents right in your web browser. No special software is required. Even better, multiple people can work at the same time, and you can see people's changes as they make them, and every change is saved automatically. So you don't need to worry if your computer hanged and it shut down. You don't need to worry, oh, what happened to my file? What's going on? I didn't save it. On Google Docs, it will save automatically. You don't need to do anything. If your computer crashed, you just turn it on again and you go back to Google Docs, and it's all still there and it's saved. And the other good thing is that you can work with your friends or with your classmate online together as one project. If you have a project group work together, this helps you to organize and participate together in the class. And whoever make any change, it will show that, okay, at the same time, it will show and change for everyone. So you can proceed by doing together. Sheets, Google Sheets. Google Sheets is an online spreadsheet app that lets you create the format spreadsheet and work with other people. So it's a bit similar to Docs, but this one is just a Google Sheet. It's similar to Excel. It's a web-based spreadsheet that you can use anywhere. No more forgetting your spreadsheet files at home. It will work from any device with mobile apps and iOS and Android, and alongside web-based core app. So they even have an app that you can use or go to the website itself. Next, we have slides, which can be very useful, especially for presenting. So Google Slides is an online presentation app that lets you to create and format presentations and work with other people. So you see, Google is trying to help people to work together without meeting and just work remotely. So it's a very useful platform at the moment, especially now with the pandemic going on. It is online and you can work with multiple people at the same time. It's very good. Next, we have calendar. With Google Calendar, you can quickly schedule meetings and events and get a reminder for upcoming activities, so you always know what's going on next. Calendar is designed for teams, so it's easy to share your schedule with others and create multiple calendars that you and your team or your classmate or partner or groupmate or teacher can use together. Meet. What about Meet? Businesses, schools, and other organizations can take advantage of this, because you can meet and have meetings online and call and video call up to 250 internal and external participants, and live stream up to 100,000 viewers within a domain. Google Meet is a video conferencing app, and it's also good for video calls. Google Forms. Now, you might know Google Forms already. You might know most of these already, but I just want you to know it in more detail a bit, so you understand all of them. Maybe you don't know all of them. So for anyone who did not know, so I hope you know. So whenever next time you have a presentation and your PowerPoint is not working, you know where to go. So Google Forms, you already know probably, because I give you guys sometimes some small homework online. So for forms, it allows you to create survey, quizzes, and worksheets or homeworks. And it's a part of Google web-based app. Next, we have currents. Currents. Can you say currents with me? Currents. Now, currents help people that work at the same place to chat, share files, and generally stay connected. With Google Currents, colleagues can post their own messages and follow important messages shared across the company and organization. Next is Sites. Google Sites is a free website builder from Google. You can create websites with collaborators by giving another Google user edit access. So collaborations are when you collaborate with someone, a partner, a groupmate, a friend, a classmate. So maybe you have to create a website, so you can come to Sites and do it together. So you see, most of the apps on Google, they try to have teams work together. You can work at the same time, so it's faster. Contacts, last but not least, contacts. Google Contacts is a way to store and organize contact information about the people you communicate with. Each contact can contain basic information like names, email addresses, and phone numbers, but it can include more and extended information like physical address, like where do they live, employer name and department, and job title, or anything that you want, like maybe class number, department, IP, ILP, which department are you studying at. So all this, you can do it in contacts. Next, your homework. You have one homework, one worksheet. So your worksheet is your homework. Please click on the link and open the Google Forms, which we talked about actually today. So you just answer all the questions, same as always, and click submit, and that's all. You don't need to do anything else. You just do this worksheet online, and please finish before 21st of October. And if you have any homework left that you have to upload the file on e-learning system, or if there is any Google Forms that you have not done, please make sure you finish everything. The 21st of October is your last chance to send all your homework to me. So please make sure you send all the homework. You can check by yourself, see if you're missing any homework, you haven't sent any homework, you can send, and I will check for you and give your grade in my, I will keep your grade. So yeah, make sure you finish everything by 21st of October. All right, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Have a lovely day and see you next week. Bye-bye.